So let's say you have this one photo you'd like a physical print on. Maybe it's a car like this one, or maybe it's a personal one you want to put into a frame, but you don't want to use your printer in an expensive color ink, print it up, expensive color paper, and then have to cut it all out. Well, here's how you can print directly from OneDrive to your local store. So here I've opened up OneDrive through a browser, and I'm looking through my photos, and here's that photo that I showed you earlier. And let's say I want to print this one. It's really very simple. You just simply need to decide on which photo you want of all these. Now you can click on more than one and you'll still get the little menu that says order prints. But remember, if you're doing a different size or different number of them, you need to do them one at a time. So here I am, I'm inside of a single photo, and I'm going to use this order prints up here. Now you'll notice here that a Walgreens menu has come up. Now mine says Walgreens, but your area might be something different, but essentially it should work the same. And so we go click on that, and in their little interface here you can select what you want to do. Now here's a drop down, and the regular size photos are only 33 cents, all the way up to a very large sizes suitable for printing. Now you want to say next here. You can fill in the other information as well, but you have to find a store in your area. So you type in a zip code, and sure enough, we'll do a search. And there's one that's fairly close to me in Thousand Oaks. So I'm going to go ahead and click on choose this location. There's one more part, but I'll use the Thousand Oaks one. Now here I blocked it out, but you can print your name and all that stuff in the text boxes. Then after you get that filled out, all you have to do is scroll down, agree to their terms, and then click on the submit button. Now almost immediately you'll see it switches over and says, oh, there it is, done. Here's the price and all that. And then if you watch up here in the top right, there's my email notification. I've already got an email confirming my order. So here's the email that I got in my mail client, and showing my order is going to be ready by 4 o'clock within a couple hours. Hell, it was done in like 2. I went over there and picked it up and had my print in my hand. So there you have it. No print cartridges to worry about, no paper to worry about, not cutting it out. Just a quick print to your local store, and almost immediately you'll have it in your hands. Hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video. And if you want to get more, just subscribe to Old Guy Geek. You can also follow me at Facebook or Twitter. The links to those are in the description of this video.